have in my hand the heat shrink tubing kit, made up of 590 pieces. It's available with small parcel, low cost delivery directly from freetv.ie, and this is just a nice little kit. It's just adds in quite well to the fact we have such a large number of electrical products on the freetv.ie website now. So there's a total of 10 different sizes here, 10 different compartments within it, and multiple colour codes within each one. So what I might do is just might open up, just give a demonstration of the smallest one, which we have here, and then I'll just pull out the largest one, which we have here. So the reduction in size is 2 to 1 when it's a thing. The temperature for heating with 90 degrees or so. It's halogen free, it's RoHS compliant, and it overall would say it's just a nice little kit, and we decided to add it on. There's some additional accessory products that go with it as well, and you can see those listed to the right of the product if you're looking at a PC or in the same category within the freetv.ie website.